Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Nest Cam person alerts after enrollment changes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Nest app on your mobile device. Sign in to your Nest account if prompted. Navigate to the home section of the app. Select the camera for which you want to restore person alerts. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the Activity Zones section. Ensure that your activity zones are set correctly for person detection. Next, go to the notifications settings. Check if person alerts are enabled for that specific camera. If they are disabled, toggle the switch to enable them. Additionally, revisit the Nest Aware settings if you have a subscription. Verify that person detection is included in your selected service plan. Once you've adjusted these settings, return to the main camera view. Consider testing the camera by walking within the set activity zones. Watch for notifications to confirm that person alerts have been restored. If person alerts are still not appearing, restart the camera by unplugging it briefly. Wait for the camera to reboot and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Recheck the notifications settings again for confirmation. This should successfully restore your Nest Cam person alerts after enrollment changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.